Boom shakalaka laka, boom shakalaka laka. Who misses brunch? Who misses brunch? No, not really. Do you miss brunch? I know I do. Do you miss bottomless mimosas that give you a hangover the next day and your head hurts? Feels like there's little people in there just dancing around? Okay, I don't miss that part, but I do miss brunch. Brunching with my friends on a Sunday, a Tuesday, a Saturday, whatever. And then that juicy, amazing breakfast sandwich, right? So today, we're bringing brunch home. We're gonna make it. It's gonna be Bobby's Butter Biscuit Breakfast Sandwich. It's homemade butter biscuits. That's right. Gonna add a little sweet and spicy to it, right? A little spicy breakfast sausage, a little sweet maple bacon, a little bit of cheese, and butter.
What if I came home to you and took your butter from your fridge?
So, without further ado, let's get started. Bam! Look at that. Got your salt, your self-rising flour, your sweet maple bacon. That's gonna come in handy. Jimmy Dean spicy breakfast sausage, little heavy whipping cream, and yes, do not shade me for this, but you're gonna do the butter extract. That comes in handy. I do have real butter. I'm warming it up on the stove because I don't have a microwave here, so I'm just gonna have to melt it in a pot. It's fine.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Got your cookie sheet. I think we're ready to do business. Ready to do brunch. Right, Jason?
That's right.
That's right, okay. So you wanna do 2 cups of your self-rising flour. Now, baking is a science. Beautiful, look at that. Dump that in a bowl. Always a little for the homies, always a little for the homies. Half a teaspoon of salt.
That was not half a teaspoon.
No, but you know what? It just came out a little salty, it's okay. Then you're gonna add in your heavy whipping cream. So now you stir this all together. The consistency that you're gonna wanna get, you know what, I think I need to maybe, I'm always afraid if I whisk it or stir it, but the consistency that you want is like Play-Doh. Look at that Play-Doh, look at it. Sorry, Olympia again.
Oh.
Yep, I am a for sure amateur baker.
Oh.
Yep, right, so I just throw caution to the wind, like. So you want to knead, I don't know if it's knead this, but this is what you want to do, okay? Just watch and learn. Okay, just gonna fold it, just keep folding it. Fold it one more time. Do not separate. Okay, look at that, look at that. 2 inches, okay? Only time I bake cookies is around the holidays, and I don't really have cookie cutters, so I did go down to my local Williams-Sonoma. Since they didn't have circles for biscuits, I would just do this and just cut this part off. Jason. Look at that beauty, look at that beauty.
But she's beautiful.
There we go. We're gonna throw our stick of butter. I forgot to add this little bad boy.
To the dough?
Yes.
I am a for sure amateur baker.
I definitely got distracted. I mean, it's only a half a teaspoon of this that you use in the dough because it's an extract. So I'm gonna add a little there, little there, little there. And then, and we're gonna pray, okay?
It's a no from me.
Look at that, look at that. Yep, okay. So you're gonna put fresh butter on top, that's why they're called butter biscuits. We're gonna put them in the oven for 13 minutes, 450 degrees. Take this, you're gonna make your little sausage patties. Come on. Okay. Oh, who likes the sizzle of some bacon? Me. I'll tell you how good this is gonna be. Here we go. Temperature high. Oh, does that not smell good? It smells like Sunday morning.
Oh yeah.
You need the cheese. Now we have the biscuits. You're gonna take some more butter, right? Because you just want it to kind of soak in. Don't play with me. Ah! Lots of cheese. Just put it back in here. I don't want to put it back with the butter so you can melt it together. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Makes me so happy. All right. Stuff for the mimosas. You open up your little Prosecco that's been chilling. Fresh squeezed watermelon juice and some mint. But cheers. Before we try it, just take your little watermelon mimosa. Salute.
Salute.
If that isn't fresh squeezed watermelon, fresh mint.
Wow.
Also, because you want the perfect bite. If the biscuit is too hot, you're not gonna get all of the elements that you need, right? The melted cheddar cheese, but you can do anything else. And I was telling Jason when we were on break that usually I'll make like a little homemade guacamole that you could put on the bread. Sometimes you could do like a spicy fig jam that goes really good on it. This was just kind of like the basic Butter Biscuit Bobby's breakfast sandwich thing. Okay, try a bite. Oh my God. It's so good. These homemade butter biscuits, the inside, it tastes like when you have a really yummy, fluffy pancake. You gonna go to McDonald's now? I don't think so. You gonna go to your local diner now? No, I don't think so. I think you're gonna call me. I think you're gonna come over. I think you're gonna chill. If you miss brunch as much as I do, this is gonna satisfy you. It's gonna satisfy that need, that hunger for brunch. Make your pitcher of watermelon mimosas. Make these. Drink, be merry, be a fairy, be happy, whatever it is. If you enjoyed, hit the like button, please. Comment. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. So until next time, cheers.